Balikan natin ang litratong ito ng 25 Pilipino nakuha sa Madrid noong 1890. I am Mona Magnoveluz, I hunt down ancestors and chase fascinating stories in Philippine history. Hindi pa tayo makamove on dito kasi some of you have sent me more information about these ilustrados. Game na! Number 7, Flaviano Corde Cruz. According to a commenter, Flaviano is from Imus, Cavite. His father, Marcelino Corde Cruz, was the gobernadorcillo of Imus from 1850 to 1852. Flaviano was also a physician and a classmate of Jose Rizal in UST in 1878. A correction, number 21, the Fernando Po Island exile from Lipa, Batangas is not Candido but Brigido Morada. Number 23, Ariston Bautista E. Lin was a wealthy mestizo de Sangli from Quiapo. He studied medicine at UST and later in Madrid. Back in the Philippines, he became a delegate to the Malolos Congress. During the American period, he became a pioneering medical professor at the University of the Philippines and a successful businessman and philanthropist. He owned the cigar company La Herminal. His home in Quiapo became a hub for ilustrados and revolutionaries. It is now known as the Bahay Bautista Nakpil. He married Petrona Nakpil, the sister of Julio Nakpil, the second husband of Gregoria de Jesus. So, bilas si Ariston ni Oriang. Ariston and Petrona did not have any biological children, so inimbita nila yung pamilya ni Julio Nakpil at Oriang na tumira sa bahay nila. Number 25. May mga nag-comment rin na hindi raw si Teodoro Sandico ito, kundi si Graciano Lopez Haina. Sa totoo lang, magkakamukha yung mga bigotilyo. So, tinanong ko ang mga historiador ng National Historical Commission of the Philippines. Si Teodoro daw po talaga ito, hindi si Graciano. At kapag pumunta kayo sa museo ni Marcelo H. Del Pilar sa Bulacan, Bulacan, naka-mural itong larawang ito at nakatag si Teodoro Sandico. So, kumpletuhin na natin ang pag-identify sa mga lolong ito. Umpisahan natin yung mga nakatayo. Number 1, Vicente Francisco. Number 2, Senyor Cahigas. Number 3, Jose Abreu. Number 4, Mariano Abella. Number 5, Dominador Gomez. Number 6, Francisco Leongson. Number 7, Flaviano Corde Cruz. Number 8, a certain Senyor Tuason from Malabon. Number 9, Alejandro Yance de Lara. Number 10, Lauro de Mayuga. Number 11, Marcelo H. Del Pilar. Number 12, Gregorio Aguilera. Number 13, Jose Rizal. Number 14, Jose Alejandrino. Number 15, Baldomero Rojas. Number 16, Moises Salvador. Number 17, Modesto Reyes. Number 18, Gaudencio Juaniengo. Number 19, Pablo Bautista. Yung mga nakaupo naman, number 20, Dr. Santa Maria, number 21, Brigido Morada, number 22, Damaso Ponce, number 23, Ariston Bautista, number 24, Pedro Serrano Lactao, and number 25, Teodoro Sandico. Mabuhay ang mga magigiting na kabataang gaya nila na nangangarap, nagsasakripisyo, at humuhubog sa kinabukasan ng ating bayan. O diba?
Meow meow.